Comments are notes to your future self. They explain what your code does and why it exists, saving you hours of confusion when you revisit the same code months later. C# has 3 types of comments: single-line comments that use 2 slashes, multiple-line comments for longer explanations spanning multiple lines, and XML comments use 3 slashes and provide helpful IntelliSense tips directly in the coding editor when you hover over methods or classes. A golden rule when you write comments is to comment the why and not the what. Your code already shows what happens through the coding syntax, and comments should explain why you made certain decisions or why specific logic exists. A smart tip to remember is that if you need extensive comments to explain what your code does, your variable or method names might need some improvement.